It's just the chemicals. How did you know that?
Yeah. How do you know that?
Oh, are you recording?
Yeah.
Hey everybody, it's me, Jonathan.
Yeah,
Today,
no one can see.
I'm Cappy Squeeze.
No one
I'm here. Wait, sponsor me.
Guys,
Go check out my channel now.
like and subscribe. No one can see.
Wait, what's your YouTube channel name?
Lightning Dash Bird. Everybody subscribe.
Everybody subscribe to Lightning Dash Bird.
Yes, yes.
He's the best.
Go right there.
He's the best in everybody subscribe to him. Curses Lightning Dash Bird.
Yes, subscribe.
He's a cursed human.
Maybe not about that, but
Charlie.
Charlie, are you there?
Timmy, no! Timmy, stop! Timmy, stop! Don't go on the fire! Timmy!
That was hilarious.
Hey guys, why did you both fall? I'm here to fall in the fire.
You fall in the fire. Fall in the
It's gonna
fire.
explode.
Oh, my friend just fell.
Yeah, I almost broke my back.
Yeah, you guys can't say anything because you are the
Run, Oscar!
No, you'll see it now. You'll see it now. You see that?
Yeah, you see that?
No one wants to see your face, Jonathan.
Hey guys, I'm a